Before we create a business email with Google Workspace, let's take a quick look at their pricing page to see the differences between their 3 plans. With any of their plans, the first 14 days are free. To go directly to this pricing page, you can use our referral link in the description below. I recommend going with the Business Starter plan for $6 per month paid annually or $7.20 paid monthly, unless you know you need additional storage space or you want to be able to record your video meetings. Then go with Business Standard. You can always upgrade later, so I'm going to get started with the Business Basic plan. Let's get started. Enter your business name and then the number of employees. They probably want to know this to have an idea how many emails you may want to create using Google Workspace. This is just going to be a hello email for one of our other YouTube channels. So I'm going to say just me, choose the region, and then click on next. Okay, so here they want your contact information. So first name, last name, and another email address, just to make sure if for whatever reason you forget the password to this, you can still access the email you're creating with Google Workspace. After filling in your information, click on next. How do you want to set up Google Workspace? They give you 2 options here. You can set it up with your domain or with Gmail. I don't recommend sending business emails from Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, anything like that. It's not very credible. So if you want to be trusted, you should be doing it from your own domain. Also for email marketing, a lot of email marketing software won't let you do it with an email like Gmail. You have to have your own domain. That brings me to the sponsor of today's video, porkbun.com, the best domain registrar according to USA Today. It's also our favorite here at the FigCo, as you can see in this video in the description below. Porkbun offers hundreds of domain extensions at low prices, so you can get the perfect domain for your business at a great price. Your domain purchase with Porkbun also includes WHOIS privacy protection, an SSL certificate, DNS management, web and email hosting trials, and amazing customer service by phone or email 365 days a year. Get an additional $1 off by using the code TheFigCo24 at checkout. Does your business have a domain? Yes, I have one I can use, or no, I need one. We already purchased our domain from Porkbun, so I'm going to click on yes, I have one that I can use. Enter your business's domain name and click on next. Here it looks like they're double checking this is the correct domain. It is, so I'll click on next. Now I need to create a username. This is what the email is going to be. So I just want this to be hello. So hello, add a password. I'm not a robot. And then agree and continue. And so here they're recommending the Business Starter plan, what I mentioned earlier on. So let's try it free for 14 days. All right, so here it has the business name filled out. It has my name. Now I need to add the address. It's asking me to add a payment method. Don't worry, you have 14 days for free. If you're not happy with Google Workspace and you want to cancel, you can do that at any time in the first 2 weeks. Just go to admin.google.com, sign in, and cancel your free trial. It's asking me if I want to boost productivity with AI using the Gemini business add-on. I'm going to skip this for now. Read through the information about your new account and then click on I understand. And then it takes us to the admin console. This is where you're going to make any changes to your Google Workspace account. It'll walk you through a really short tutorial telling you the next steps. Here they want to make sure that you own the domain, so we'll do that. Then you can add additional users, and then we can activate our business email. Click on Protect, and here click on I'm ready to protect my domain. So depending on where you purchase your domain, this could be easier or a little more difficult. You might come to a page that looks like this. You can just sign in with your domain registrar, and it will automatically add the records for you. With Porkbun, you can set up your business email like this. If you come to a page like this, you'll have to manually follow the generic instructions. I'll walk you through the more difficult generic instructions just in case that's what you end up seeing. We need to add a new text record, TXT, copy this verification code, go to the DNS management of your domain registrar, and create a new record. Scroll down to TXT. Depending on where you bought your domain, you might put the @ symbol here or leave the host blank. With Porkbun, you just leave it blank. Paste the verification code and click on Add. Great, beginning of a business is protected, so they can verify that I own the domain. Let's continue. Now for step 2, if you want to create emails for additional users, click on Create. You can have up to 10 free users during the free trial. Click on Add another user to create another email. Add their first name, last name, the email you want them to have, and then click on Save User. I'm not going to add anybody today, so I'll just cancel this. Then click on Continue. Now we need to route your emails to Gmail. To do that, click on Activate. Here, click on I'm ready to activate Gmail. Here, again, you might just be able to sign in to activate your email. I'm going to walk you through the generic instructions. Here you want to go back again to the DNS management of your domain registrar. Once you're back there again, come back here and click on Next, go to step 2. Now we need to add this MX record, copy the smtp.google.com. Here you want to scroll down to MX record. For pork bun, leave this blank. For others, enter the @ symbol. Paste the answer that we just copied from Google, put a 1 for the priority, and click add. This is a great job. MX records are updated. We're all done here, so we can click on finish. It looks like Google's not sure if we want to create additional users or not. I'm all done here, so I'm going to click on skip for now. To sign into your new email, go to mail.google.com. Enter your new email address, then your password, and click on next. There we go. We now have access to our business email. Let's now send a test email. I'll log into my other account and respond to that email. And as you can see, we can now send and receive emails with our new Google Workspace business email. If you need a domain for your business email, don't forget to get it at porkbun.com with the link below and use the code TheFitCode24 at checkout to get $1 off your domain. Already have a domain? You can use the same code to get $1 off transferring your domain to Porkbun and save money on future renewals. After getting your business email set up, you may want to build a website. Learn how to do that in the video up above, or if you want to learn to get started with email marketing, watch the video below. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.